Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to rebuild your Dribble. Dribble stands for Drip Shield Rebuildable. Here. First thing you should do is get your wick, your guide pin, then make your own coil. I'm making 4 loops with 0.12 gauge nichrome. Then see the holes. You place the nichrome wire at the hole. Pull the ends. Then tighten the set screws. The drip shield rebuildable is designed to cater dual coil systems. Cut the excess like so, then cut it here. See? If you're wondering, the 2 posts here serves as an air control for the drip shield. The conventional way of using the drip shield is like this. With the dribble, you're going to invert it like this. When you put it like this, aligned with the vent holes. The vent holes will serve as the what do you call this? The vent for your coils. As you can see, I don't know if it's clear. You can see the poles closing and opening the holes, so you could change the tightness and the airiness of the draw. Then here's the top cap. See? Let's check the ohms. Let's put some e-juice. Always remember that the holes are parallel to this 2 wall, so you can control the air. Oh, juice. That's simple.